for this lesson, you need to read the informational text as it says right here, and then you'll answer the questions at the bottom. It's all about science fiction. So you're learning about what science fiction is if you don't know, and then you're talking about the connection between old science fiction stories and the technology we use today. Notice that it does say to give 2 examples. Okay? And then this question is simply, what inventions would you like to see in the future? So that's totally just thinking outside of the box. I know I would love to see a robot that could cook and clean for me a little bit more. I know there's some like the Roomba that can vacuum, but something that would help me cook and clean would be awesome. So I also want to point out when it says underline details in the story, you might think, why do I have to do this all the time? But it is good practice to really back up your answers with evidence, because whenever we answer a question about a text, we should be thinking, this is where I found my answer. This is how I know that I am correct. So this is practice for doing that. I'm sort of making you do that. It's something you should be doing anyway, so I'm helping you to practice that. So really do think, okay, how do I know, in this case, what science fiction is? Oops. Oh, there we go. What science fiction is, how do I know that from the text? Okay? As always, if you have questions, let me know. I'm more than happy to help you understand what you are reading, what words mean. I can read it for you, or remember, you can use the text-to-speech tool, and if you need help with that, let me know. Good luck!